Hello, how you doing? Hope you're well. Look, today we're going to make a pumpkin curry, Indian style, vegetarian, healthy, vegan, delicious, coconut milk based. Let's get on with it. Welcome back to How to Cook Green. Okay, so we're going to start this off with some oil. I've got like 3 tablespoons there of oil. I'm using coconut oil, but you can change that if you want. We're going to add 2 teaspoons of cumin seeds and 2 dried red chili. I've just put the heat on. Medium heat. We're going to go for 60 seconds. That's just enough time to infuse the oil. Now I've got some fresh curry leaves. If you can get them, they're absolutely fabulous. If not, try and get dried. Nothing else kind of is like them, so you'll just have to leave it out. I've got some chili. I'm going to put 1, 2, 3, 4 fresh chilies in, but I'm putting mine in whole. You can chop them if you want. To that we're going to add a cup of onion, and on this slightly above medium heat we're going to go for about 4 minutes. Beautiful stuff. Next up we're going to add our sweet potato. I've got like 3 cups worth of sweet potato there. You can see the size I've cut it in. I've just kept the skin on. I'll just give it a little scrub. So we're going to throw this around just for another 3 minutes or so, and then we'll start adding some other lovely flavors. Going to add some salt in the mix. We're going to add a tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, which is a 50-50 mix of the two. The powders we're using today is 2 teaspoons of chili powder and 2 of turmeric. Let's go for another 2 to 3 minutes, stirring often. Beautiful. We're going to add about 100 ml of water and 400 ml of coconut milk. We're going to get the heat on nice and low now, a little simmer, and just simmer this out until your sweet potatoes are tender. For me that's going to be about 6 or 7 minutes. Okay, off goes the heat. You can see that that's kind of changed color as it's deepened. It's got a little bit thicker as it's evaporated. If you want, you could add a little bit of garam masala powder to that, or add some fresh cilantro, coriander. I'm going to go just like that today. Beautiful. Okay, job done. Nice and easy. Really delicious. Hope you enjoyed that. Keep safe, keep well. I'll see you soon. Lots of love. Hello everyone, an update about the cookbooks. Well, the first one is now finally available. It's on Amazon. You can get it in an ebook, $3.99, very, very cheap. 195 pages of wonderful food from the Indian continent. It's flicking by you right now. Do me a favor, do yourself a favor, and please buy that. It helps the channel out a great deal. It's also available in paperback if you want that. Check the link below this video. You can just click that, buy it. Thanks a lot. Lots of love.